This is our Specklebelly goose call. It's a call that we built out of necessity because Louisiana has a lot of Specklebelly geese, and just so happens they taste really good. I remember the prototype of this call, we actually killed the only Specklebelly that has ever been killed in Duck Commander history. It'll do all kinds of sounds. It'll cluck, it'll yodel, it'll do the high-pitched, I call it greeting call. I'm gonna go through a few of those just to let you know what it sounds like. Here we go. And then if you want to yodel, you just string it out. That's your yodel. Here's a cluck. That's when they're on the ground chasing each other. That's generally what finishes off Specklebelly geese in your decoys. This is our Specklebelly call. Give it a try. You'll be glad you did.
Hey everybody, Kelly Haydel with Haydel's Game Calls. I want to show you the SP04 Speck call. This is one of our standard Specklebelly calls, and to blow this call, you want to choke the end of the call down, the exhaust barrel down, to produce that yodeling sound. And I'm going to give 2 quick puffs of air to produce that yodel. I am going to also, at the end of the second part of that yodel, I'm going to simply leave my tongue at the roof of my mouth to shut that air off, and you're going to hear a real crisp, short yodel. It's going to sound like this. You can also cluck on this call by going hut, 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 hut. That's the SP04. Check us out on Facebook, also on our website, and subscribe here on YouTube to see what's coming out next.
Primos, honey, speak the language.
Gardner here from Gardner Calls in Memphis, Tennessee. I have our Canada Hammer. It's a short rig goose call and has been a favorite amongst callers for a very long time. Here's just a little bit of the vocabulary that it'll do for me, and I'm sure to do that, if not a lot more, for yourself.
Primos, honey, speak the language.